I will teach you how to cook a sinigang. Here are the sinigang ingredients. First is put the oil and heat up the pan. Put garlic and onion, tomato, pork meat, radish. Put water and mix it again. Then wait 20 minutes until it simmers. Add eggplant, wild chili, string bean, sinigang mix, water spinach, and magic syrup. Taste, stir, and wait for 10 minutes. And that is the sinigang recipe. Thank you for watching.